Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today I'm going to make some little zipper pulls with some fun things that I got at BB Craft. These little skulls and these really pretty glass beads. And I'm pretty much designing on the fly here. I have ideas in my head, but I haven't tested them out, so we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. All right, I have everything I need, I think. And we're going to be making a little mermaid zipper pull and then just a little person zipper pull. And let's start out with the mermaid. I'm going to put these aside. And I'm using 20 gauge wire. I have a little bit of a scrap wire here, so I'm just going to use this. That's why you keep your wire. First thing I want to do is get my round nose pliers out, and we're going to hang this little fish tail. And I'm going to come down a ways because I want it to be big so it can dangle really nicely. Like I said, I haven't tried these out. Hopefully they will work. And then I'm just going to do some wrapping here. And tuck in that wire. All right. And let's see, this is going to be the head. So we've got to do the body. So I'm using these bead caps and these crackle beads. Trying to figure out how I want to do this. I'm wondering if I need 3 of these beads. Whoop. Let's see if this is going to be too long. Let me think. So I need some arms on these. So if I have 3, maybe I only need 2. Here, let's zoom out a little bit further so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just putting beads on here and trying to determine what it looks like. Let's see. I just need 2, and then I can put the arms up here. Yeah, I think I only need 2. And I think I'm going to put I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do a loop, and I'm going to get a jump ring to hang the lobster clasp on it. Let me go ahead and make this loop up here. And clip that off. All right, now for the arms. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this. I have enough that could be arms. And we'll go ahead and wrap it around the neck here. Because, I mean, if you really think about it, our arms, our shoulders come from the neck. So, all right. Oh, that looks so cute. All right, and then I'm just gonna, at the very tip here, I'm just gonna roll some hands. And I don't need all of that. All right, so we have our little mermaid skeleton. Isn't he cute? Let's see, I need a jump ring. I think that is a, how big is that? 6 millimeter, I believe. But you know, I think you can use just whatever you have on hand. These make fun little ornaments, or you can put them on your bag. Oh, he's cute. I like him. All right, so the next one we're going to do, I'm going to use the same techniques, but instead of a mermaid, we're going to make a little fairy. And I have these little glass flower beads. A lot of times these come in acrylic, and I got these from BB Craft. It's been a while, and I got all different colors of them. And I picked out the pink one because I'm going to use this pink skull. We need a bead, I believe. And okay, let's go ahead and I am going to need legs. So, okay. I want to go ahead and use a bead cap for the crown. And then I think I'm going to use another bead cap, but I'm going to turn it upside down. And then like that, that's the body. And then I'm going to, I think I'm going to do another bead cap, but I'm turning it upside down. And this is what's going to look like. But we do need some feet and arms, or legs and arms. I mean, I guess we wouldn't have to have legs. We could pretend that's a long dress. Huh. Decisions. I think I'm going to make it a long dress. No, I'm not. I'm going to make legs. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I have to think about it. I'll think about while I'm wiring this up, because I think no matter what I do, this part's going to be the same. I have to make sure that's all tucked in. I still feel it poking out there, so. All right, I had to turn it off and close it on my eyes so I could see that. All right. So let's scooch all these beads down. And you can see that a little bit at the bottom. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend that so it's hidden in there, because we don't need that loop to show. Now, if I was going to put legs on it, that's where I would attach the legs. Okay. So there we go. So, and now what we need to do is just make a loop at the top. And clip it off. And where's that wire? There it is. Tuck that wire in. Oh, these are cute. Open this up. Actually, let me make sure this works. You always need to make sure your jump rings work. Some of them won't. Oh, those are adorable. I do need to get arms though. Let's see. Okay. And just curl these up a little bit. If you wanted to, you could put beads on the end, like little seed beads. Maybe I'll do it a little bit shorter. Otherwise, he's going to have monkey arms. There we go. There's our little mermaid and little person skeleton. So I decided to go ahead and show you how to do the legs, just in case you wanted to do the legs. I made another little skeleton girl here. This time I used one of the orange skulls and one of the glass flowers that are kind of a greeny turquoise and orange. And I've got some legs here, some wire that I just cut from my 20 gauge wire. And basically I just eyeballed it on how long I want. Now that looks really long, but you gotta remember we're gonna be doing a loop, and we're also going to be curling the feet just like we did with these. Again, if you wanted to, you could add beads to it. But basically what we're going to do here is we're going to wrap a loop. And before we wrap it all up, we're going to add it to the loop that I had done on the doll. And then just wrap this wire and tuck it in. See, I think I'm going to probably need 2 pliers here. And this can get a little fiddly. And I don't feel any scratching. So then you're just gonna roll here for the feet like you did the arms, and then I just kind of bend them so they're not pointed down, they're kind of bent at an angle. All right, let's see. Again, we're going to wrap a loop. And the legs are going to dangle around a little bit, which is what you want. Oops. Sometimes these bent nose pliers are really nice to have. I can't even hang on to anything. Let's see, maybe I'll use that. And again, just want to tuck in that wire. Notice I'm using like a bunch of different pliers. Sometimes you do have to switch around. That's why I like to have all kinds of different kinds of pliers. All right. And this is where you want to kind of guide. Okay, they're about the same size. So now I just want to, boom. There we go. Got our little dolls, aren't they cute? I just love these. I've actually got some other videos where I've made beaded dolls. I'll see if I could find, they actually may be on my other channel. I'll leave a link down in the description box below if I can find them. But anyway, here these are. If you're interested in any of these beads, I got all of this stuff. Actually, all the stuff but the lobster claw clasp did come from BB Craft. But I'll leave links in the description box below to the little skeleton skulls and these beads right here, which, by the way, these beads, they claim are blue, a light blue. They're not. They're crystal. Let's see, do I have anything blue here I can compare? That is not blue. This is a clear. So when you look at that link and you're going, those aren't blue, you're right, they're not. But they work really well with this, and I really had a lot of fun making all these things. I'll leave a link down in the or at the end of this video to the unboxing of these beads, and I'll leave in the description box below links to, like I said, to the skulls and to the clear beads, along with the coupon code and a link to BB Craft. BB Craft has all kinds of fun things to create jewelry with, so you should check them out. They've got good prices, good quality, and it's pretty fast shipping considering they come from overseas. I want to thank y'all for joining me, and you have a great day. Whoops, sorry. A little shaky there. Here, let's put these in here so you can see them better. But I hope you all have a great day. This is Cherry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.